Hey guys, Plunderlock here. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Pro 5. The Pro 5 is sort of an hybrid between the AirPods second generation and the AirPods Pro. So this one comes in the black variant. It also has the Pro 4 models, but it's the Pro 5. This is actually the latest model, so I picked this up from AliExpress, and I want to see what it sounds like. I'm gonna do a sound test, and we're gonna look at what the build quality is like. So just have the basic information around the corner, and at the back you just have the model Pro 5 and some basic information. Actually, this says it has a standby time of 120 hours, but we're gonna check that out. I'm not exactly sure what the standby time is. So let's open this up and see what we get inside. So the box is just pure black, which I really like. I really like the design of the box. It looks really nice. Okay, so opening it up, we have a user manual here with the basic information. They're in English, which is pretty cool. Account that comes from a Chinese website. So this is also the charger. It charges with a lightning connector, which is really good. I like the fact that it charges with the lightning connector, so you don't have to buy extra USB cables. So I'm sure you guys see what I meant right now. You can see the shape, the build is a little bit small, sort of like the AirPods Pro, but the design of it looks just like the earpiece, looks just like the AirPods second generation, but the length looks like the AirPods Pros. So actually, I just noticed something interesting. When I took it out of the box, it actually shows AirPods Pro. That's what it shows on the iPad. So we're gonna connect this up to the iPad. So just talking about the build quality, you can see you get a notification light here. Like I said, it charges with the lightning connector. Here you have a button here. I'm pretty sure this is to connect the charger and everything else. So I've connected it to the iPad now, and as you guys can see, it shows AirPods Pro, and the design looks like the AirPods Pro, but it's actually not. So we're gonna do a little sound test, and we're gonna see what they sound like. Okay. So actually this is at max volume. It doesn't sound really bad, but it's not exactly the same as the AirPods obviously, but it sounds really good. It doesn't have a good bass, but it has a really nice treble. Okay. Overall, I think they sound really good. They don't sound that bad at all. I mean, for the price point, it sounds pretty good. It comes in at about $10, which is really good. And for the design, I think for $10 is pretty good because it has a small, comfortable design. The build quality is pretty good, and the fact that it uses a lightning connector to charge and not the normal USB-C, I think that's a really good buy. So I can recommend this for anyone. I think it's gonna be a good buy for anyone, and I'm gonna leave a link for this down below in case anyone is interested in getting this. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next one.